This doesn't seem right at all. Well, I wasn't in first. Chances when I'm by myself. This isn't right. That's not good. I'm riding the bridleways and byways of Frodsham in Cheshire. There are some gorgeous trails up on top of the hill. Take a left up here. It's not this one, it's the next one. Okay, this is it. Steep enough. And here it is, sneakily hidden. Oh wow, that is so bright I can barely look at it myself. Ow! Thought that was someone looking at me. You do realise I'm going to film every sign. And at the end I'll be coming back to the start to try and find a place I don't know if I'll be able to get to. Hob Haywood. Well, that was very pleasant indeed. Oh! You obviously can't see it, but that's that giant guppy plane that carries airplane parts. Oh, this isn't right. Nice fixer-upper, as I say. Now, this was down as a bridleway. Has it been changed? Let me give it a look, because all the maps say this is a bridleway. Not really sure where I'm going here. I'm definitely going to be riding into someone's house here. Yes, this is feeling very footpathy. Okay, that might not have been a bridleway. I'll just go down the road, eh? Cheeky bugger, aren't I? Must be some kind of private estate. A little mini Port Sunlight, really. Should I say it? What a beautiful place to live. Oh dear, look what I've got in the front wheel. That's not good. At least I've got somewhere nice to fix it. Jeez, that was just a thorn. I thought it was a nail. It's hilarious. I couldn't get the little sticky things in, so I ended up gluing the thorn back in. That seems to be working. No, my luck, that's all the fire out and go my eye. Hillfoot Lane. I see a byway sign, but it's not the way I want to go. Let's have a look at it. Made a bit of a mistake, so I'm just going to go with it. Brambles, get away from me. An exciting cell tower. At least I get a signal. The thorn puncture repair seems to be holding out. Ooh, I've got two to choose from. Pick this one for a nose, or I won't go down it if I carry on the other way. It's very well used by horses and bikes. Oh, it's a nice little track. It's getting a bit busy around here, folks. I was going to say, I can't believe this is Merseyside, but I'm pretty sure this is Chester. There should be a bridleway somewhere here on the right. And here we go. Well, it's time to use the delightful word. They're not messing around here. These woods are protected by barbed wire. Probably a good thing, because I'd be in there if it wasn't. I mean, let's be honest, you can't argue with it, can you? She hit the twig. I'm gonna have to connect the controller and bring it down. Haha, I've got her. Let's see if I get a nice friendly welcome from these people. Hello there. There you go, can't argue with that. I'm going this way. Got poochies. Oh, bit of a spin there. This is still a bridleway. I'm hoping for a view. I feel like I've climbed quite a bit. Oh, they put these trees in the way of the view. They totally need to cut those down so I can see. Well, even without a scenery view, it's still beautiful. Nice loamy descent. Let's have a go at it. Brakes are a bit noisy. That's a bit too steep actually. Okay, I'm going to try and climb back up. Oh my god, slipped on that. It's quite rugged, isn't it? I have to say. Geez, a sign would be nice. They always put these stupid local signs when you get here. They don't mean anything. But a picture of a leaf. Hi there. Bloody hell, that's a hell of a drop, isn't it? Oh, Jesus Christ. Those rocks are so slippy. Oh, wow, what a place. What an amazing place. Absolutely gorgeous. A local on a e-bike told me to come this way. Front end's going light. Oh, she did. The actual bridleway there. Oh my god. The next bit was so beautiful, I'm just going to leave it to music. Daniel Craig grew up there as a kid. His dad was the landlord of the pub. Frodsham Christmas Festival. Okay, I said at the beginning I was going to go to a place that I didn't know if I could get to. Well, this is it. The Frodsham Marsh Lagoon. I was hoping to get to the edge of the Mersey, but it looks like that's completely blocked off. It's a funny kind of place. Nice bit of nature surrounded by horrendous industry. I recognise that. That's a power station, the one that has separate fans instead of a great big evaporator. They kick the hot water out here, and we used to water ski through it. Unsafe bridge, do not cross. That's mad, it's actually flexible now. Yeah, just wanted a big loop and it's brought me back to where I started. through for a laugh. Ah, it's not deep at all. Frodsham water sports. We used to come water skiing here all the time. I'm talking, you know, 30 years ago at least. Jet ski hire 60 quid for 30 minutes. Well, all the banners are still up. Those Bridleways blew me away. I was expecting them to be quite mundane, but they were absolutely beautiful. The whole area is a gem. Having Bridleways through the middle of it is just fantastic. Thanks for watching. See you next week.